An email signature is essential for conveying professionalism, providing contact information, reinforcing brand identity, and ensuring consistency across communications. Let's see how to create a signature. Log into Gmail and click on the See All Settings option. This will take you to the settings window of Gmail. Scroll down to the signature section and click on the Create New option. Give a name to your signature and select the Create option. Now, you will see an editor box beside it. Write your signature details here. It includes thanks and regards, your name, your designation, or current portfolio. You can even add your contact details as L, M, A, W, and E, where L stands for landline number, M stands for mobile number, A for address, W for website, and E for email. While adding the website and email, add them as a link. To add a link, click on the link icon and add the address as shown in the video. Then select OK. You can even add a logo to your signature. To add a logo, click on the Insert Image icon and upload the photo from your device. To resize the image, click on the image and choose the size as small, medium, or large according to your requirement. So now, this is how your signature will look once it is created. You can also apply font color, size, style, and other formatting options to it. Here, I am adding only my name, current portfolio, and organizational logo as my signature for the emails. After completing the signature, move down to the next section to select Signature Defaults. Here, you can choose when you want your signature to appear in emails, while creating a new email, or while replying or forwarding emails. Select the signature name from the drop-down menu. Finally, move to the bottom of the screen to save the changes. Select the Save Changes option. Now, click Compose Mail, and you will see your signature already present on the screen. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy emailing!